Hello everyone, my name is Romeo and welcome to another episode of the EdTech Explorer. And for today's raw video, okay, we're going to explore another AI tool. Actually, this is one of my favorite AI tools that I use for my productivity, especially for my teaching and for my workshop. By the way, shout out to Dr. James De Los Reyes. He is the one who shared to me about this Canva AI. All right, so I hope you're doing well, Dr. James. Okay. All right, so to proceed, okay, first, of course, you need to have a Canva account. Okay, so most probably you in your mind right now with Canva, you can create videos, you can create images, you can create posters and other stuff with Canva. But one of the things that I would like to focus on right now on how I utilize Canva, especially in my teaching, is actually you can create a personalized learning material. Now, last week we had a video on Figma AI. So this time I will be sharing to you about Canva AI. Okay, so of course you need an account with Canva AI, and once you're in, all you have to do is just to look for this Canva AI logo, and then left click on that. And once you have this, okay, you'll be able to do the following. You can do the design, you can create images, even docs, code, and even video clip. Okay, so this means that all you have to do is just to type a prompt here. You can choose any of the options here, and Canva AI will generate it for you. Now, please take note, this is based also on my experience. um, I have I have some Canva accounts wherein some of the options here are not available. Here especially the code part, okay, or the code feature. Some of the Canva accounts that I utilize, this code feature is not available. So just in case in your Canva account the code is not available, you can either one subscribe to a pro account in Canva, or if you're an educator, okay, you can use your school or your university or your school account, your school email account, and create an account in Canva so that you can utilize this feature. Okay, now for this demonstration, I'll be focusing more on the code feature of the Canva AI. Okay, so I will just left click on this one, as you can see, and then um, just like with Figma AI, you can type a prompt here, and Canva AI will generate it for you. So for this one, I will be creating a game. Okay, so let's say for example, I'll be asking Canva to generate a game, a game that will teach students, okay, that will teach students about Filipino language. Okay, like like so. Yeah. Okay, so if for example, this is the prompt that I want to utilize. So generate a game that will teach students about Filipino language. Once I have this, okay, you can click the submit button here, and then based on your prompt, the Canva AI will try to generate what you have requested it to generate. Now, of course, it depends on how complicated your prompt is. That's how long the AI will be able to generate the application that you want it to generate. Now, as you can see on the screen right now, it's trying to generate some codes, okay? And you just have to wait until it can produce the application that you want it to create. Now, based on my experience, there are times it takes more than a minute. Sometimes it takes more than 5 minutes. Okay, but the thing is, it will definitely generate your the application that you want it to produce. Okay, so let's just stay put and let's wait for it to be. Let's wait for the Canva AI to generate it. And as you can see, the Canva AI was able already to produce the the application that you want it to produce. So you on your left portion here, this is the some instruction, okay, and as you can see, the language is in Filipino as well. Matuto tayo, learn Filipino through fun games and quiz, okay? So based on this one here, this is based on your prompt, which is this one, the Canva AI generated an application for you. So let's say, for example, I'll click on this one, vocabulary. So I'll click on this, and then puso, okay, and of course, the student can choose, let's say, for example, heart, okay. So there's that. Tubig, let's say water, okay. So it's translating a Filipino language to a Filipino word to a English word. So for example, this one, I'll check star. And then let's say, for example, I committed a mistake. So for example, bahay, I'll say it's a book. So there's an error, and it also provides us the correct answer. Okay, so you can have something like this. You can, again, you can give this to your students by asynchronous maybe, or you can use this one while you're teaching your students. Okay, it's all up to you. Okay, but the thing is, this is a personalized learning material that you can use for your teaching your students. And of course, if we're going to try the other features, let's say, for example, animals. Okay, so this is a Filipino language. So let's say dog. Okay, and then let's say from manok. Okay, let's say it's a chicken. And then let's say, for example, pusa. Of course, it's a cat, but let's try to commit a mistake. Let's say it's a fish. So there's an error. Okay, so with this one, again, you can teach your students. And if you're not yet that satisfied with this one here, again, you can go back to your prompt here, okay, and type the revision or the things that you want to change or to add in this part of the, what's this, in this application, okay? So if, for example, you're already happy with the application, okay, all the features, all the mistakes are already updated or were corrected. The next thing that you need to do, if you really want this one to be utilized already to your class, all you have to do is just to click this publish, okay? So left click on the publish, and then after that, you can type the site address, okay? And then, let's say, for example, EdTech Explorer, okay? I'll just type EdTech Explorer here, and then you can click publish, okay? So as you can see, it's being prepared, and once it's ready, okay, you can copy this one here, okay, and then you can also click view website here so that you'll be able to see the what's this, the application is already here, it's already available here. You can give the URL to your students, or you can also here, I'll be opening an incognito, and I'll paste the website from the Canva, and here you'll be able to see you can already utilize the application that we generated with Canva AI, okay? So with this one, you can give this to your students, and they can either open it during class time. They can open it any time of the day once they want to use it, okay? Or you can also use it while you're teaching, as part of your while teaching the class, as part of your learning material, okay? You can also upload this in your Google Classroom and let your students access this learning material. So this tool is very powerful. Canva AI is not just for creating PowerPoints, creating video, okay? It's not only for creating images, but you can also create learning materials such as this, okay, an application, okay. You can also use it for your prototype in case you're a student and you want to create a prototype application. You can actually use this. What's also nice about this one, if you're a programming student, you can, there's a show code feature here. If I click this, you'll be able to see the codes that the Canva AI utilized to create this app. Okay, you can study this, and then you can use it to develop a better version of whatever you have right now. All right. So I hope this is helpful, especially for teachers who likes to personalize their learning material. So thank you very much. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please do like it and share it to your friends. And please do subscribe to the EdTech Explorer. All right. So thank you very much. And until next time, paalam.